In this lesson, you will learn how to animate colors in your P5JS sketches. A color gradient or color transition is a gradual blend of one color to another. Each color in the color range between the two colors is created by gradually adjusting the RGB color until it reaches each color stop. For example, let's create a gradient from black to white. The grayscale value of black is 0. The grayscale value of white is 255. To create a color transition from black to white, the grayscale value is gradually increased from 0 to 255. To keep track of the current grayscale value, create a variable. To start the gradient at black, the initial value is set to 0. In this example, we will use a variable called colorVal to set the background color in the draw function. Each time the draw function loops, the variable colorVal is incremented or increased by 1. To do this, we write at the bottom of the draw function code that reassigns the variable to its current value plus 1. The next time that the draw loop is called, the value is increased, making it one shade closer to white. When we run the code, we see an animated gradient from black to white. Let's add some color. Let's say you wanted to make a color transition from gray to red, green, or blue. The RGB color would be adjusted such that 2 of the values are decreased to 0 and the color you wish to see is maximized to 255. For example, transitioning from gray to the color red means that the red value needs to be 255, while the green and blue values need to be adjusted to 0. Now let's add some color to our sketches.